While the election was completed a month ago, they're still fighting on who exactly won. A lawsuit recently filed by Texas and supported by Nebraska Attorney General Doug Peterson lists several unsupported claims that have already failed in a variety of court cases. Secretary of State Bob Evans supports Nebraska, joining 15 other states in filing what is called an amicus brief, basically a document sent to the Supreme Court supporting the Texas lawsuit.
We have got to restore the confidence of the American people in the legitimacy of our election systems. And the way that we have to do it is to assure that our elections are being conducted in compliance with law. That's what this Texas lawsuit is about.
The lawsuit's assertion is that the courts or executive branch in 4 states, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Wisconsin, and Michigan, took powers that only the legislature has, allowing mail-in ballots to come in as long as they were postmarked by Election Day.
Things happened there that were done by the executive branch or the judicial branch that were outside of what the legislature had provided. That's a U.S. constitutional violation under Article 2.
It's not on the U.S. Supreme Court to decide if they're even going to take the case, but some in the state don't think it's going to happen. Senator Ben Sasse, a Republican, told the Washington Examiner, quote, "I'm no lawyer, but I suspect the Supreme Court swats this away." State Senator Adam Moorfield, who is a lawyer and a Democrat, says the case doesn't make any sense.
Attorney General Peterson and Secretary Evans both know that this is a frivolous lawsuit. And not only that, dozens of state and federal courts, some that are appointed even by Trump appointees, have found that these are completely frivolous claims.
Moorfield says the state is setting a bad example of getting involved in other states' elections.
The danger in this is that we allow other states to interfere with the free elections of other states. That's a dangerous precedent to set, particularly when state and federal courts that are bipartisan in these states have found that there's no claims of fraud.
While each state conducts its own elections, Attorney General Peterson said in a statement, Nebraska has a vested interest since it involves a federal office, saying this means that Nebraskans, no less than citizens in other states, have a strong interest in ensuring that presidential elections comply with the Constitution. Evans says even if the election is settled, he wants to see the claims in the lawsuit investigated.
Assuring that credible claims of improprieties in the election are investigated fully. That's my interest in this.
In Lincoln, John Kipper, 3 News Now.